Oh yeah, you guessed it. We're still doing Google Workspace, and this week it's all about Google Docs. I can't wait to show you how to use it. Let's go. Are you having a hard time implementing technology into your business? Well, that's okay. I got you covered. If you follow my videos and you still can't get it done, I got you. So just fill out the form, scan this QR code, or check the description for a link. Fill out the form and we can meet. And I can assess your needs and we can have a consult and we can do something to get that done for you. So, what do you got to lose? I'd love to meet with you. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. And today we're going over Google Docs for real estate professionals. And so what I love to use Google Docs for is for my letterhead. There's a golden letter that's floating around, KW. You can write policies and guidelines for your team or for yourself, and team agreements, listing description templates. You can put photo caption templates. You can create offer instructions. You can also do letters for expired for sale by owner. Kind of coincides with the golden letter. So let's get started. Let's get into Google Docs. Okay, so what I've done here is I have just opened my Chrome web browser. And in my Chrome web browser, I have a Google Apps button. I can click on that and then I can navigate to my Google Docs. That's how you're going to get into Google Docs. From there, you can start a new document by a template. So if you have some kind of proposal, notes, a brochure, a newsletter, there's all kinds of templates here, and you can look at the KW ones, or you can just look at the general Google ones. If you don't want to use a template, you could go to a blank document, and I'm going to show you how to do a letterhead in Google Docs. So what I like to do is double click up here in the very top of my document. That's going to put you in the header. And in the header, I want to insert an image. I can do that two ways. Number one, I can click this button here. That's the insert image button. Or I can click insert image and upload from my computer. And now you can see I have my logo in the header of my document. And as I scroll and write a letter here, I will be able to have that on every single page. So you see, if I put it in the header and I go to more than one page, it puts it on the page again. You can also do that with a footer. Sometimes I like to put a date in the footer. You can click here and do on the options, footer format. You can put page numbers, things like that. You can make a different header, footer. You can make it a different margins, different first page even if you want to. And then you would just click apply. I am going to insert a smart chip and put today's date. And click OK. And then I am going to also insert a page number as well. That's what I want to do. I can also put that in the middle. Might want to align it here in the middle, or even maybe make this on the right. And let me just delete. So we only have one page, and now you can see it's changed to page 1. Also, if I wanted to insert an image, I can also do that from the web. You can search Google Images, but please be careful and do not use copyright images in anything that you're using for marketing your real estate business. And you can see I just searched the Google Docs logo. I can click on it, click on insert, and it's going to put that image into my document here. I don't really need it, so I'm going to take it out. But then you can just, maybe I'll insert the date again here, and that'll be my date, and then I'll put my, whoever this is to, I would put their name and their address here. So you can write your letter, then you're going to put thank you and your name. Okay, so now you see here's my letter. It's got plenty of space here in the bottom, and it's just for writing letters. I can also do policies, guidelines, any of those things that we talked about earlier. So what you can do when you're done with your letter is do file and download, and then you can download this as a PDF document. It's going to ask you what you want to save it. You can say golden letter or whatever you're writing and then click save, and that's going to save it as a PDF on your computer that you can print out and mail out to all of your clients. Of course, this bar here is the normal icons that you use. You have your undo, your redo, your print, you have spelling and grammar, you have your formatting, you can have your zoom, you can go bigger or you can go 100% or smaller. Your normal text, you have titles, things like that you might want to put in here. Your font size, bold, italic, underline, text color, highlight color of the text. You can insert links, add comments, insert images, align the text, the paragraph and line spacing, if you want to put a checklist, a bulleted list, a numbered list, indentation on, you can decrease the indentation or increase the indentation, and you can also click this button to clear all your formatting. So that's in a nutshell what you can do with Google Docs. So let me know in the comments below what's your favorite doc to create, and I'll see you next week.